To enroll in cash management on Webull, start by logging into your Webull account from the mobile app or website. Once you are logged in, navigate to the menu section, usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen, and select the Account tab. In the Account tab, scroll down to the Cash Management section and click on Enroll Now. You will be redirected to a page that explains the benefits and features of cash management, including higher interest rates and debit card access. Read through the information carefully and click on Agree and Continue. You will then be asked to provide some personal and financial information to verify your identity and eligibility for the program. This may include your social security number, date of birth, and employment status. Fill out the form accurately and click Submit. After submitting your information, Webull will review your application and verify your identity. This process usually takes a few minutes, but it may take longer in some cases. Once your application is approved, you will receive a notification and your cash management account will be activated. With your cash management account activated, you can start earning higher interest rates on your uninvested cash and enjoy other benefits such as debit card access and bill pay. To manage your cash management account, navigate to the Account tab and select Cash Management. From here, you can view your account balance, transfer funds, and manage your debit card settings. It is essential to note that cash management on Webull is provided by third-party banks, and your funds are insured up to the standard deposit insurance amount. This means that your money is safe and secure, even if Webull or the participating banks experience financial difficulties. In conclusion, enrolling in cash management on Webull is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few minutes. By following these steps and providing the required information, you can start earning higher interest rates on your uninvested cash and enjoy the convenience of debit card access and bill pay.